What's up everyone, Skateboard Dad here. That's my real name, check my birth certificate, I dare you. Today I'm doing a shoe review for the brand called Joiints. They're a new shoe company, at least to America. They started in China. This is a shoe that basically took the tooling of a Nike SB Blazer mid, not the low, not the Grant Taylor version, but the mid with like this lacelet area that continues down to the midsole, and then also the outsole of basically like a Vans, any classic Vans vulcanized shoe. The midsole actually is very similar to a Vans, like down to even like the back little tab right there.
Is this allowed? Is that allowed?
It's a cool shoe. I'm really pumped to have gotten these pairs of shoes. I've really enjoyed wearing this one actually. Like I don't really wear white shoes. This is probably my favorite shoe that they do. They do a couple that are more like basketball type looking shoes, maybe like dunk looking. And there's a link below where you can look at those or purchase those if you want. But they basically sent me a couple pairs of shoes so that I would do a review on them. And I was pumped to do so because I'm not a good skateboarder, so I don't really have a bunch of companies knocking on my door being like, hey, let me send you free products. So I'm like, whatever, I'll skate a free pair of shoes, let's go. The full suede upper, it's pretty durable suede. It looks really nice and it feels nice. The tongue is like actually really nice and pretty thick for a suede tongue. The durability on the laces, once I switched to a board with some mob grip, it ripped through fairly quickly, just from like ollies, kickflips and stuff. But they did send another pair of shoelaces with these, so I'm about to swap those out. But you'll pretty much rip laces on any shoe that isn't like a Janoski, a slip-on, or like a Shane O'Neill. Anything that has the laces that come down to the ollie area, you're pretty much toast. Unless you get those shoelaces from Christian Flores, the unbreakable ones, or whatever he calls them. Christian Flores, if you're out there, send a box, baby. I'm in this for some free product, you know what I'm saying? But they're true to size, vulcanized outsole, good board feel, not the best impact protection. I'm not jumping down things, but impact for me is like landing primo on a kickflip. I did that one time and I basically had to go home just because like my little body couldn't take it. But I have really flat feet, so when I land primo, it's pretty bad. But the insole is pretty much like the same as like a Vans pop cush. It's just like a nice cushiony insole. It's good, it's decent. It makes up for the really thin outsole. It's a good looking shoe. They also sent me a pair of slip-ons and they were cool, but when I tried them on, they fit well, but the toe cap just made the shoe a little bit too heavy because it's such a thick rubber. So if you are cool with heavier shoes, that they would work for you. It just wasn't something for me. They just felt a little bit unbalanced. They were well made, good quality. It's basically just a Vans slip-on Pro from like a few years ago where they had the extended rubber toe cap. I got them in like a Joker purple colorway. I don't know why. I just thought it was an interesting choice. Probably skating them once, and if I don't like them, I'll just leave them for a kid at the skate park or something like that. One last thing, this little logo here for the Joiints logo, I asked them what it was. They said it was like a Chinese symbol for good fortune, and when I looked up the symbol on some website, it mentioned something about the Illuminati. Pray for me. So I really liked the shoes. I'm really thankful to have gotten the pairs that I did. And I've been skating a lot of cup sole shoes lately, so it was kind of cool to be able to skate the vulc shoe. And I've just noticed that with the bulkier kind of cup sole shoes that I've been skating, mainly the Tiago Lemos 1010 from New Balance and the Tyshawn Jones low top from Adidas, I've just noticed that, like, looking back at my pretty bad skate clips, I've just noticed that I really like the look of the vulc shoe a lot more, and especially this like plain white with the gum bottom shoe. So I don't know, I'm torn because I really like the function of the shoe, I really like the look of the shoe, but it's just sort of like the cup sole is just a little bit nicer for my flat feet and for my aging body. And while I was skating these shoes, I learned a new trick in the shoes, one that I've never tried before, one that I was always intimidated of, even though it's a really, really basic trick, the backside nose slide. I really don't slide it all that much, but it's been a fun one to learn. Easy to learn in these shoes because they're just like responsive shoes that do what you want because they have a bunch of board feel. They're good shoes. So this is my first upload in a pretty long time. I actually have been taking a little bit of a step back just because life has gotten a little busy, but I really enjoy doing this, so I'm probably gonna start making more videos because it's fun. And yeah, Skateboard Dad, subscribe. So let me know what you think of the shoes. That's pretty much the whole dang thing. So you'll be seeing more videos from me. Bye.